We are DGS Services, resin-bound contractors who operate throughout the United Kingdom. Here at DGS Services, we specialise in installing stunning and durable finishes, providing an unsurpassed level of finish, care and attention to detail that our clients require. Resin-bound surfacing is an innovative and modern alternative to other traditional surfaces. Resin-bound is porous, meeting the requirements of sustainable urban drainage systems. It is also easy to clean as well as being durable and anti-slip. Resin is usually installed on driveways, car parks and access roads, swimming pool surrounds, paths and patios, pedestrian schemes and cycle paths. There are also environmental benefits of resin-bound surfacing. Not only does it meet the requirements of sustainable urban drainage systems, the aggregates are either natural products or recycled, as well as the resin being derived from a renewable plant source. Resin-bound systems are also cold applied, so low energy is required. If you would like any further information or to arrange a free site consultation visit, please call us on 0161 434 7155.